Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make child block figure of 8 to 12 years. For that you will require iron scale, mechanical pencil, eraser and one sheet. So first of all, the length of child block figure is 6.5 inches. So we will draw a straight line of 6.5 inches. So after that, we will mark the points. This is 0, 1 inches, 1/3/4, that means 13 lines after 1 inch. After that 3 1/4 inches, means 3 inches and 5 lines extra. And then 4.5 inches, and after that 6 inches, and last is 6.5. So after marking these points, now we will make our body parts. The measurement of the head is, length is 3/4 inches, that means 13 lines, 6 on both the side, 1 in center. So this is the width of my head, which is 3/4 inches, and length is also 3/4 inches. So this is the measurement of head. Now shoulder. Shoulder is on 1 inch. Length of the shoulder is 1 inch and width is 1/4. That means 1 inch there are 17 lines and 1/4 means 5 lines. So we will mark 22 lines total. 11 on both the sides. So this is the width of shoulder, that is 1/4. Length is 1 inch. Now we will make the neck, which is 0.2. Now which is 0.2 on both the side, that is 2 lines on one side and 2 lines on second side. After shoulder, chest, which is on 1 3/4, and the width of chest is 1.2 inches, means 1 inches plus 2 lines extra. First of all, we will mark half inches on both the side and plus 1 line extra on both the side. That is total 1.2 inches. So after chest, crotch area, which is on 3 1/4, the measurement is 1 1/4. That means half inches on both the side plus 2 lines extra. So after crotch, knees is on 4.5 inch and we will not mark a line of knees. After knees, ankle, which is on 6 inch and the width of ankle is half inches and there are 9 lines on in half inches. So we will mark 4 lines on both the sides. And tip of toe is on 6.5 inches, which is half inches plus 0.2. That means 4 lines on both the side plus 1 point. Total 5 lines on both the side. And we will join all the lines. So after this, now we will make arm and hands. Now on crotch area, mark your point half inches away from crotch area on both the sides and make a line of 1/4, that is 5 lines. And mark a point in center of this 1/4 line. Same on this side. Make a line away from crotch half inches of 1/4 and mark your point in center. Join this line with shoulder and chest point. Now we will make the hands. The points which we have marked in center of 1/4. Now we will make a straight line over there of half inches on both the side. Now after that, mark a point on center of this half inch. And make a line of 1/4. Two lines on both the side. After that, join these lines. Now make a dotted line on 4.5, that is your knee point. So your figure is now completed. This is child block figure of 8 to 12 years, which is very easy and simple. If you like my video, then please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.